everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your makeup silicone practice board that we have here on the screen and remove all the makeup that you have over it and make it completely clean. So if you wanna see going from all that makeup to no makeup, so you can reuse it again in the next tutorial and or in the next practice and in a really easy and really cheap way, please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's start our tutorial. As you can see, this is my makeup board. I have a full makeup on, foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, eyebrows, everything. All I did is just remove the eyelashes, of course, because you just remove it as you remove your makeup. So what we're gonna use in this video, I'm gonna use this cotton pads. It's a DIY video. I'm gonna link it in the card description box down below if you want to know how to make cotton pads at home and save lots of money. And I'm gonna use an olive oil. This is a virgin olive oil from your kitchen. We all have olive oil in our kitchen, so I'm gonna use it. And of course, an extra step which is important as well, I'm gonna use a makeup remover micellar air from Nivea, what I have right now. Use makeup remover or this brush remover or like brush cleanser. It's a DIY as well. I'm gonna link it in the card description box down below if you want to know how to make a DIY makeup brush cleanser at home. Will like clean your brushes effectively and save you lots of money as well. So let's start our tutorial. I'm gonna use a cotton pad, of course, in olive oil at first, but before doing this I'm gonna apply this towel because I have a cardboard underneath this white screen or white background, so I don't want to like make it dirty anyway. So I'm gonna add my towel, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some of my olive oil over my cotton pad. Of course, you can apply it directly to your practice board, which I'm gonna do in a minute, but as you can see, I just wanted to show you either way. So you can apply some of the olive oil over the cotton pad and then begin in like a rounded motion or like a circular motion, begin to remove the makeup. And as you can see, there's a huge difference. Like the eyeshadow now is gone, the eyebrow begin to be gone, and the foundation that I have over the makeup board was a little bit darker than the actual makeup board. And as you can see the difference now between the foundation color and the makeup board itself began to be way obvious, which was amazing actually. And now as you can see, I just decided to apply a little bit of the oil over the practice board directly, so you can see either way, apply it to the cotton pad or the board itself directly. Either way, you're just working a very nice way. And as you can see, I begin to like go in a circular motion and clean everything. As you can see, remove everything like perfectly. It's amazing. Even the eye glue for the eyelashes, remove it and it make the eye look so beautiful and bright. And yeah, make sure you clean the inside eye because of course you're gonna have some oils or some makeup over it, so clean everything. And as you can see, looks so clean right now, right? And as you can see, there's a lot of makeup on my cotton pad. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just like make sure that I remove everything as much as I can with the oil and begin to find like a clean piece of cotton and just like make sure everything is clean and nice. And as you can see, I'm cleaning the inner eye, like the eye itself from inside. Make sure it's perfect and bright. And as you can see, it looks so clean actually. But the extra step that we're gonna do right now, we're gonna just clean the oil. And as you can see, I'm gonna use my makeup brush cleanser. I'm gonna spray a lot of amount of that spray over it because it's gonna clean everything, clean the oilness that I have on the silicone for on the card, like the practice board. And I'm gonna use a clean cotton pad and begin to like clean my board and make sure it's completely dry and there is no oil over it. And don't forget to clean the eyes. It's very important because you're gonna have a lot of oil and a lot of makeup inside if you didn't clean it. And make sure it's clean and it's not oily. It's so important. So this step is very crucial to make sure it's clean. And now it's completely clean and ready to be used for the next tutorial or the next makeup practice that you're gonna do. And this is the how to clean your makeup practice board effectively and very cheap actually. So if you don't know how to clean your makeup board, this is the way. It's really easy, and you're not gonna have any extra like equipment to clean it. Just what you have in your kitchen, what you have on your makeup remover, and it's really easy. So I really hope you like this video and it was helpful for you and help you clean your makeup practice board if you have one and you were thinking how to clean it. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!